Now I've been jumping around on this project like a frog that's gone mad, just trying to get bits and pieces set up. Now this bit of rod I'm going to be turning down to 15mm, so it will sit in the centre of the Japanese rotary table. Well, that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to get it down to about 15mm roughly. I don't want to go any smaller obviously because it'll be fucked. So I'm going to turn this down to approximately 15mm, and then I'll start checking it because I want a really nice fit. So I'm going to be in and out of the chuck. Now, so I'm only using just the bog standard freeze jaw chuck. We know how accurate they can be, but to help, I'm going to be doing it up on the 0 chuck key, which is one you can't see, but it's now at the top of the chuck. And the jaw I've marked, and I've marked the position of how far this is in the chuck. So everything's all aligned, and hopefully that'll get me a bit more accurate in and out. Right, it's a bit of chromed shock absorber shaft off the front of some car. I'm sure it's a front shock absorber looking at the size of this shaft. But that's what it is. So the outside's probably a bit tough, but once you get in there it should be a bit more malleable. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Right, 19.9mm. So it's a 20mm shaft basically. Right, let's spin that up and see what that looks like. That's still true as anything. Right. Oh my god. Right, let's get on, shall we? Right, 15mm coming up. According to that, 16.2. Right, so I'm going to go another 1/2 mil. That's 15.5mm then. Right, I'm going to take this out and try it. I'm not going to take you with me because that'd be a pain in the arse. And we're back again. Right, doesn't fit in the slightest, which is sort of what I was hoping for. So let's start her up. What I'm going to do is take 0.2. No one. That should be 15 mil what I'm cutting now. Let's have a try on that. 15.25. $15.2. Make the fucking mind up. Yeah, 15.2 mil. I'm going to take that out and try that. Just see if that end just slips in. I think that's why. I reckon I put that in the wrong place. You probably tell me on the video, yeah, you put that in the wrong place. You twat. I'll see that when I edit it. Right. Anyway, the 15 mil falls in there, no problem at all. To my mind, that's probably going to be too loose. It's not. It's vaguely warm, but it's not warm. Okay, so I'm going to go half of that. So it should be 15.25. 15.2423. Right. Let me try that. Fits in there tight. And it goes quite tight. So I think what I'm going to do is take that down to that, and if need be I might just polish it up with a bit of emery. Right, okay, let's try that. Right, interestingly enough, it fits really tight at the top and then goes loose. So let's have a look. .21. 15.21. Right, okay, so that hole's not dead square. That's not surprising really, considering looking at the thread in the top of that cast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that end, obviously, and then part this off, pull it out, and then part a little bit more off. Now, I should fix the parting blade is going to enjoy this one. Yep, I'm a little bit convinced that's a little bit blunt anyway. Right, new tip in, let's see how that does. Maybe that was just hard. So using the wiggler, I've got the centre of the pin. Luckily it was a pin that was left, and makes it easier. I was just going to line it up on the centre of the boss, but that can stay in there now, and doesn't get in the way of anything else, and it makes it easier to line this up. So with my table lined up, I can now line the top up.